Yo, you guys, it's Badger here, and today we're gonna have a look at these little detox patches. And how they work is you take these, smack them under your foot, and then you put on one of these band-aids to keep it in place, which is not complicated at all. And apparently it just makes it better, or it takes bad stuff out of your body. You just put it on here, just like that, and then it's prepared, and you're gonna stick it underneath your foot. I will show that here as well. So basically just find the right angle and place it right there and let it sit there for the night, and then the morning that should have been the magic. But yep, that's basically what it is. And I can't scientifically prove if that's actually something that is working, but I have a feeling it's doing what it is supposed to be doing. So that's gonna be it for today, you guys. My name is Badger. Take care. Until the next one, and bye bye.